Hey guys, I'm Sayantani and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this very simple and easy makeup look. This is a makeup look for college parties. So a lot of such events are coming up like freshers party, farewell party and etc etc. So if you are planning to go to any of such events, then this is a makeup look for you guys, and it's a very soft and subtle makeup look using minimum amount of product. And also for the base guys, I've just used a BB cream so you can understand how light this makeup look is. So if you guys want to know how I have created this look, then let's get started. So guys, I've already cleansed, toned and moisturized my face. For primer today, I'm going to go in with an aloe vera gel, and once you've applied it on your face, leave it on for 10 seconds till it gets tacky. Then you can move on to your BB cream or your foundation, because that's going to help it to adhere to your skin better. So the BB cream that I'm using is from the brand Elle, and it is in the shade 01 Pine. This is a new BB cream in the market, and I've been using this for a few days now, and this is quite a good BB cream guys. It has quite a good coverage and it lasts really long. If you guys want more information on this BB cream, make sure you guys go and check out my description box. Next, for highlighting my under eye area and also my eyelid, because I do have a little bit of pigmentation there, I'm going to go in with this makeup pan stick from Olivia, and this is going to act as a concealer, and I'm going to apply it on those areas. This is also going to add a little bit of highlight in those areas. Once that is well blended, I'm going to set my face using my Blue Heaven compact. And guys, I tried to keep the base makeup as light as possible. Today I'm also going to skip contouring or bronzing. I'm going to keep it really simple. So once that is done, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using my Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream pencil. I just love this pencil. This is really affordable and it does its job really good. This is actually my fourth pencil, so you can understand how much I like it. Next, I'm going to move on to my eye makeup, and I'm going to first start with a crease color. And guys, I always recommend using a crease color or a transition shade, because that kind of makes your eye makeup more put together and it makes it look better. So I'm applying that into my crease, and then I'm going to pick up this light pink color from my blush palette, and I'm going to very slightly apply this into my outer corners, slowly moving towards the inner corner to just add a flush of color. Once that is done, I'm going to take this golden shade and apply it from the inner corner towards the center of my eyelid, and I'm going to slightly bring it down to my lower lash line as well. So guys, after it's done, next I'm going to draw a winged liner using my Maybelline Gel liner, and I'm just going to draw a normal winged liner, nothing fancy over here. And once that is done guys, I'm going to bring the same gel liner in my waterline as well. Now guys, instead of the pink color, if you want, you can go in with any other color for your eyelids. You can match your dress, it totally depends on you. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the one from Essence. And guys, for this look today, I'm also going to skip falsies. Once that is done, for blush, I'm going to use the same color, and this blush palette is from Hilary Rhoda, by the way guys, and it's really good. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use the Sivanna Shimmer Brick, and I'm going to apply this highlight on all high points of my face. Once that is done, next I'm going to go in with this lipstick from Elle in the shade Blush Pink, and that's it guys. That pretty much completes my look, and this is the final look after doing my hair and popping in a pair of earrings. So this is how the look is guys. It's very simple, very easy to do, perfect for college, nothing heavy. And also guys, instead of pink, you can use any other color. If you want, you can go in for a nude lipstick, and for eyes you can use any other color as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys want more such videos, then do let me know down in the comment section. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.